Hey everybody, so we're going to be doing a quick tool haul. I picked up some 2-cycle oil from Walmart. It's a different brand that Walmart carries. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, alright, so in a previous video I spoke about a couple different oils I picked up at Walmart, which I'll grab them real quick. Those two oils is this VP Small Engine Fuels Full Synthetic 2-Cycle Ethanol Protection Easy Starting 12-Month Fuel Stabilizer. It's this red. As well as the cheap SuperTech Universal Premix 2-Cycle Engine Oil. And today, it was today. I picked up the Black Max versions, which are the newer ones, in the aisle where the chainsaws and weed eaters are. Because Walmart exchanged out the Poland Pro chainsaws for these Black Max with the bear on them. This one is a synthetic blend 2-cycle, so it's got kind of a light color. And this one is a full synthetic 2-cycle, which is a lot darker. But, so these are all oils that I picked up at Walmart. It's not going to hurt to have extras. I'm also going to be trying to do, try to dirty the engine of the combi system and progressively step up from there. Like this one first, and then probably the Lowe's one, and then the synthetic blend, and then the full synthetic, and then the red one, the full synthetic of this one. And then I might be grabbing like a bottle of the STP brand. Harbor Freight sells the STP brand, which is actually a good brand. And then I'm going to be getting a couple more bottles. The Super Blend Gold or something from Echo at Home Depot. It's kind of a dark green oil. I also have some HP Ultra from Still Oil as well, which is what the machine was running, because that was the first oil I bought when I bought the weed eater. So that was I didn't have any of these at that time. But the other oils that I'm going to be picking up is also the Red Armor from Echo. So we're going to compare I think it's called Super Gold, or I have a couple little small 2.6 ounce bottles of it, but we're going to pick up one of these bottles. And we're going to get the Red Armor for comparison, as well as the AMSOIL Sabre 2-cycle oil. But I'm going to put these two back over here. The other stuff is over here. The HP oil. I also have 2 bottles of Stabil 360 Performance with Vapor Technology. I have this small 8-ounce fluid ounce bottle, which is odd because it's yellow in this bottle. But this one, it's got this red tint. It's weird. I also found some bottles at Walmart for this one. This one I got at Walmart. This one I got at Lowe's. Lowe's had some bottles that were yellow, some bottles that were red. Home Depot had some bottles of the Stabil 360 that was yellow and red. So it's like maybe it's a batch thing. But you know, it is what it is. That has the Stabil 360 in it, the gas tank, to stabilize the fuel. It also protects against ethanol in small engines. But these are the 2 items I picked up. The full synthetic darker blue was $7. The synthetic blend was $5 something. About the same price as the SuperTech. That was like $5.20, somewhere around there. But I appreciate your guys' time. This is not going to be a right away video comparison. I will be doing borescope checks after I use these. I'll probably take pictures, everything like that, put it in the video, but this is going to be a long term, because the still equipment I bought is just for my home use, unless somebody hires me to do their yard or anything like that. But it's not going to get like seasonal use like a landscape company, in a sense that it's not going to be used every day for an entire season or anything like that. It's just going to be used when my yard gets dirty, unless I get paid to do somebody else's yard. So this is going to be a long-term review and testing. So if hopefully you guys will stick around for that if you guys want to see that. I will do a lot more videos of the combi system sitting here. So stick around for more yard equipment and testing and stuff like that. Appreciate your guys' time. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.
Yeah.